All right, boys, you see it. We've had this thing for nearly a year and haven't really had the time to put it together. This is the Vevor 6-ton press. And I had the wife order this for me, cut it on sale, and I'm going to eventually need it when I start redoing all the bushings in my hatchback, my Civic hatchback boost build car. So just gonna go ahead and get this thing put together. I've been needing to do this for a while, been meaning to do this for a while and just haven't had the chance. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools ready and get this box opened up and show you guys what all comes in here. And yeah, hope you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you're not, go on and smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. It's totally free. And go on and smash the like button while you're at it, boys, because you're going to enjoy this video. Hope that this video helps somebody else out there out, or maybe motivate and inspire somebody else to buy their own press and do all their own bushings and hubs and, yeah, wheel bearings, and do it all yourself, guys. So I'm not sure that this one will do wheel hubs and bearings, but I know it'll definitely do bushing replacements. So that's what we got it for. But yeah, guys, just gonna get my tools together and get this box opened up and be right back. All right, guys. Now, I'm not sure that Vevor packaged this thing this way. I'm sure it came a lot nicer a lot better packaged. But I have had it probably going on a year or longer, like I said, and just been moving it around in my garage, because those of you that follow the channel, you already know that I usually keep a disaster in this garage. So whenever I'm doing something and something's in the way, I just move it on to the other side of the garage or somewhere else in the building. So might be due to me moving this box around and it dropping and stuff like that. But everything seems to be in here, so let's go on and pull that instruction pamphlet out. I'm just gonna get all my parts pulled out and laid out, guys. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, guys, as you can see, probably I'd say about 60-70% of this already comes assembled. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy instructions. Here's a little bit of hardware it comes with. And you pretty much see here instructions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look over these real quick and be right back with y'all with the next step. All right, guys, with these size bolts and washers and nuts, you put them on like so to hold the legs on. So that's how you get your legs on. Got one on as of right now. All right, guys, now that you're at this stage, I've got the bolts in this beam right here. Now, the way this thing works is these beams right here go, oops, dropped the phone, guys, sorry about that. But these beams right here go across here horizontally, right? And those bolts is what joins those beams. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. But you use those nuts right there and those lock washers and these long bolts for this process. Now I'm gonna get this mocked up and I'm gonna give y'all an update here in a second. And just like that, guys, I just basically put the bolts in through this side, and I'm gonna get these nuts put in over here on this side. All right, guys, so go ahead. Those tighten down. Now we pretty much got it all put together. Now, these things here, I don't know the exact word for them. Pegs, I don't know, but you move those out of your way, like so. And that allows that to drop like so. But yeah, there you have it, guys. 6-ton jack, or 6-ton press by Vevor. It's all put together. And I'm gonna show y'all how it works. Go in here, close it up, just like a jack. Brings a little handle. Y'all can see. See how this works, boys. You can put your whatever you're trying to press down here. You got your plates here. Put it like so. You know, this is, I got it on a setting if you got something big in there. You know, a small wheel hub or a small wheel bearing or something like that, and you got it laid up in here. I don't have anything, or I demonstrate to you guys what I'm talking about, but if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know how to operate a shop press, so shouldn't have to show you guys that. But yeah, you just keep on jacking that thing like that, boys. Yeah, as you can see, that thing's fully extended. You're done pressing your bearing out. Go ahead and release it, just like a jack. And yeah, there you have it, boys. There's your Vevor 6-ton hydraulic shop press. Very easy to install. All right, boys, there you have it. The little miniature Vevor 6-ton press. Now, boys, we will be getting a big press, like a 12 or 20-ton press, and we'll set it off somewhere out here in the garage. But this little guy here is going to come handy. It's going to come clutch for little bush and press jobs. So definitely, I give it a 7 out of 10 for the Vevor 6-ton press. And I'm not sponsored. I wish I was, but I'm not, Vevor. So yeah, boys, definitely gonna recommend this thing for those of you that are, you know, do-it-yourselfers like myself, and you want to press little things in. It's a perfect little guy right here. 6-ton hydraulic bottle jack. And I also believe, guys, to change this thing to be more ton capacity, not sure if that's how you say that, but all you got to do is change out the jack. But I'm not going to go and do something like that. I'll just buy me the big ton, 12-ton, 20-ton jack press, shop press, whatever you want to call it. So, but yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this inspires someone. Hope this taught someone something. Hope this helps somebody else out. But it's going to do it for this video, boys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Also, smash the like button. Doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free as well. And yeah, boys, definitely going to want to stay tuned to the J&A Life So go ahead and smash that bell icon down below. That'll indicate or notify you whenever we drop any kind of new content on the channel. So, yeah, boys, I appreciate each and every single one of you. We wouldn't be where we at if it wasn't for God first, then you guys. So thank you once again for the love and support. And like I always say before I check out of these videos, boys, I love you all. God bless you all. And until the next one, boys, we out of this joint.